Are you thinking of buying a home? There are plenty of perks. You'll pay yourself instead of a landlord, build home equity, become part of a community, and you can decorate the way you want. Your first step is to make sure you have a good financial foundation. You need your down payment and additional funds for closing costs. You need to prove your income to show you can afford mortgage payments. You need to show you are a reliable borrower by having good credit. And you'll also want to find out from your mortgage broker what you can realistically afford. This is important because what you can qualify for and what fits your budget may not be the same. You're about to embark on a great journey. Congratulations! The right home and mortgage is your route to financial security and wealth building. Home buying confidence comes from knowledge, so take the time to get your mortgage kit ready. Our Mortgage Kit video series will help you do just that. You'll learn what is required to get into your home, like how much down payment you'll need, and the kind of documents your mortgage lender will require. When you are prepared and know what to expect, you can achieve your dream of homeownership without ever feeling time-pressured or stressed. Sound like a plan? Next up, how much down payment do you need? Brought to you by your friends at Invis.